this moment lasts forever in your hearts, in your hearts. A day you'll always remember every bar, every bar. This feeling of love, just let it grow forever through your life. Bring beautiful years of joy between you till the end of time. Allah bless you with all His love. Send peace from up above, and may your friendship grow through the years. Together you will live through the good times and the tears. That's just how beautiful your days. All the thanks to both our mom and dad, mom and dad. How you worked and sacrificed the life you had, life you had. Forever we'll never forget you and everything you've done. No matter how hard we try to thank you, it won't be enough. Allah bless you with all His love. Send peace from up above, and may your friendship grow through the years. Together you will live through the good times and the tears. That's just how beautiful your days. اللهم صل على محمد